this signage. This signage.
Yeah.
Yes, move it out.
We have to.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
VP.
Yes.
VP, this place needs to be organized.
Very well. Very strong.
I address the principle over there.
The lower basic.
The lower basic. This is his upper basic.
Yeah, this is the upper basic.
The upper basic, you need to control your students. The lives of these students and their safety lies in your hand while they are in the uniform.
That's true.
All right?
That's true.
I entrusted you with my kids
That's true.
because I believe when they are here, they will be as safe as when they're in my house.
That's true.
These students out here,
Okay.
it's not okay. Whether it's their time, it's not their time. All of them supposed to have a space inside the school. The moment they are here, it's an attraction. Kids, they are attracted by things outside. Either they have money, they want to buy things that they cannot get it from the school. I believe you have your own rules and regulations when it comes to selling, who's supposed to come and sell, who is not supposed to be selling in school, because it has to go with the public health hygiene process. All right, they need to go through that one. For outside here, nobody's supposed to be selling outside.
Thank you.
All right, here is not a market.
That's true.
I'm going to say this thing to you the way I put it to her. All right, market is not here. Whoever is not fitted to sell here should not be outside here. We are moving them for good. And students control the student. Students should know they're not supposed to buy anything outside from the school. All right?
Yes.
Whether it's afternoon. If they're here, mornings if they're in the class, the afternoon shift, arrange them where they're supposed to be. Because they left their houses and their parents said they went to school. Whether it's their time, it's not their time, that is your own arrangement.
That's true.
Somebody has to be here, seeing anybody in sanitizer's uniform, get inside the school. You will not have anything to distract with the lessons going on. All right? But the student is your responsibility. The students should not be here. If we see the students out here, meaning you the one encouraging these vendors, these street sellers here, and it's not good for their health.
Exactly.
Now on, take care of your students. We are going to take care of the vendors sitting out here. Whoever is found here is going to get arrested and face the prosecution, because it is against the rule of this land for people to be selling on the public easements.
First of all, I want to say thank you very much. We have been looking forward to this opportunity, and I am very happy and pleased that that this team has come to salvage the interests of the public. There are certain things that are happening out around this area. It is not to our liking. We have seen our students hanging out, most especially around the park area here. And these shops that are here, these corner shops. But I'm sure with this intervention, this problem is going to be eradicated completely. At the level of the school, the classrooms are not enough. But thank God, last month, we've got support from MRC Holland. They are planning to build for us more classrooms. And with more classrooms, I am sure these students that you are seeing outside, that will be a thing of the past. So I am very much happy seeing this team around. I have been praying for this day. And today I am going to, when I go home, I will lie down and rest well. Because the safety of these kids has been our priority. Every day, 1 or 2 students must have a crime here or must enter into a problem here, either stabbing, stealing, gambling, and all sorts of things, even smoking and all the other things. So the children here are exposed to a lot of dangers. So with this intervention, I am sure, as an administration now, we will do our part.
You know what's going to salvage you?
Okay.
Is what you learned from St. Peter's.
That's true.
If you're in the uniform,
yes,
you're not supposed to be outside.
That's true.
Let's practice the same system.
Yes.
And we were all safe.
Yeah,
in
know.
those days, in
I
St.
know.
Peter's, whether you're in the classroom, you're not in the classroom, of course,
Yes.
all right, as long as you're in the uniform, you're not supposed to be outside. Somebody will go in the street to look for St. Peter students.
That's true.
And if you found outside, that's a crime.
That's a serious crime.
So let's practice the same. They're not supposed to be here. We cannot wait for that foundation to come and salvage you here. Let's start the salvation here first.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Government is taking its role by making sure squattering on the road, whether selling or whatever form, stopped.
Okay.
You also, as an authority, in our time, Ndong Jata and Celestine, you're not mad to be idling like they're doing here. So you from St. Peter's, put the same system here, we are done. Let the student be controlled inside, that's what I'm saying. Get either under the tree somewhere, I'm not saying inside the classes, under the tree somewhere, everybody has to go there. All right? Save your students, we're going to clean up here. This board, take it off, St. Teresa's, you have a good reputation, but one student being crashed with a car here is a bad name for you.
Of course.
All right?
Of course.
So please, take care.
I am so happy. I'm glad. I'm glad. Thank you so much.
Anna, come on, Fee. You the one here? Okay. I'm sorry you are within the road corridor. You're in the public easement. That's where they build this. What I can tell you now, shut down everything, close the business. Whoever owns the place, call the person to come and detach this. I have a tow truck here. I am going forward. When I'm back, if I see it standing, I can hook it. This is a metal one. I can hook it and take it down. So I don't want to destroy anything. Anything that you have, take it out safely and ask people or masoners or weldermen to come and detach this, uproot it easily. Maybe you need it somewhere. But if you fail to do that, if I move it, I'm going to destroy everything. All right? So start doing it now. Pack everything. This is what is going. Amen? All right. So, kan mo nekk fi? Waa génnal ko. Kan moo sampali fi? Xamuloo. Kan moo def lii nii fi? Ah? Lii. Fala dem. Woo ko mu ñëw génne ko foofu right now, ah? Na ko génne foofu noonu. Fu ñu fekk nga toog si biir si ron bi nii dañ naa yóbbu. This man is saying moomu ko mu ngi daw te fii la duga. All right? Anam kan moo ko moom? Yow yaa moom lii? Génne lañ ko léegi léegi. Génne lañ ko ngeen génne ko. All right, gaaw leen. Wàcce ko right now. Right now. Kan moo paak li? This is your sign. This is signboard. Génne la. Da ngeen am certificate, da ngeen save fii. Ana seen certificate. Fan ngeen uti certificate for this? Ana boss bi. Kala kila. Signboard bi dafa am certificate. Fan nga jëlee certificate bi? Foo ko defee? Amul certificate. Yow xam nga ne boot yi nekk si kaw yoon bi yëpp da ngay uti certificate si nguur gi jox la place ne da nga ko war a def fii nii yow da nga ko def rek neex la. Foo ko defee loolu laa bëgg a xam that's what I ask. KMC déedéet this is not KMC. doo dee fee lii waxal dëgg yow mag nga doo dee fee lii. All right? Huh? This is a crime. Lii revenue la bi nga war a fay si government. Advertisement. Any advertisement signages boards all have to be paid to the national roads authority. See, uyima suma jógee fi ngeen def seen discussion. Si NRA nga war a fay lii soo bëggee sign board si kaw yoon bi da ngaa dem national roads authority nga jël form ñu ñëw sauver sa place. ñu wax la ndax da nga ko war a def fi warloo ko def fi suñ la joxee approval dañaa jox certificate les certificate bii nii mooy da nga war a def signage fii nii waaye temporarily place bi government suñ soolee place bi yow sa boppa yaa koy génne nga dem woo National Roads Authority ñu ñëw jox la beneen place bi waaye every year fo nga feeli yow sa lii moo fi yàlla moo xam ñaata years moo nekk fii all right meaning li nga war a fay yëpp si government bi lose revenue. These are loopholes that government is losing revenues because yéen da ngeen a liggéey rek lu leen neexee. What I'm telling you is uproot it. Génne ko right now nga génne ko si kaw yoon bi. All right? Okay. Aussi take his name jëlal ñu jël sa tour ak sa sant. That's where you display your samples, right? Ah? Génne leen ko foofu. Ah? All léegi ni ngeen uproot yëpp ngeen génne ko, okay? All right. This parking, why these vehicles are parked here? Moto yi fii la ñoo liggéey ndax ana auto yi fii la ñoo liggéey ndax there. Can somebody call these guys for me? City. Kasama.
Korka, boy, I'm in late, boy.
And you see permanently, right? And what of the ones behind them?
They are all office cars.
Office car.
Yeah.
You guys don't have any parking lot here.
No, not really.
All right. So for that being the case, this place is very, very narrow. All right. If all of you, whoever owns this place, had to park the way you park, then the pedestrians will not have any way to be using. All right. Vulnerable road users, we need to respect them. But the way we are squatters, the way we are parking our cars, for the simple reason that this is where I am working and I have right to park. No, that is not right. The law said if you come in to do business here, first and foremost, there's something that you need to do. That is the visibility study. You need to do the visibility study. Whether your office staff, they will have a parking lot. If they don't have a parking lot, we can understand when the customers come. They spend less time, come and park here, but for them as well, there's supposed to be somebody who needs to be out here to regulate them in order not to distract the flow of traffic. Your presence here is hindering the flow of traffic here. So what I'm telling you, this place is no parking zone for you. You go and look for a place to park. My tow truck is behind me. We're not waiting. The moment I leave this place, they are coming. Each car they found here, they're going to tow it. You don't have a place. So that's the communique I am giving you. You move it out. This wall is your wall, the one that they're breaking. Make sure you clean it up. You clean it up to the floor. This wall, is this sign totem here? Is you? Totem, take it out. I know you paid from the National Roads Authority. Is on the traffic view. All right. You bring it down and put it against your wall. All right. If you're not comfortable there, go back to National Roads Authority. Tell them the Operation Clear the Roads came to our end. Our totem, they said, is on the public easement. It needs to be found back or a new location because that's the conditions that you have and at your certificate. That when the place is needed by the government, you will take it out at your own cost, but you communicate to National Roads Authority to give you another allocation. All right? So please take note. It's going to be today. Get whoever is going to take this thing out, it needs to go down. All right? All right, and the parking. All right? Okay, thank you. All right.
Hello viewers, once again on the Operation Clear the Road as well as the demolition. Right now we are at Kairaba Avenue. This is where the operation is going on.
Who you the owner? Yes. You installed this here. Why?
I remove it.
No, I'm asking a question. You installed them here. Do you supposed to put it there?
Here.
You want to answer my question? Do you supposed to put this in there? No. So you did it the way you like it.
I will remove it. Sorry.
I know you'll remove it. This one you will remove it.
No problem.
All right. What I am saying is, you have your shops. All right. If you're selling, let everything stop inside your shop. If you want to display anything, that's why we're giving you billboards and signboards for advertisement purpose. But not for you to clear everything inside your shops and bring it outside. You're not stopping that. You're putting in this barrier, metal barriers, and these are hazards on the road. And this is where pedestrians, vulnerable road users need to be using. At night, where is the reflection that is telling people there is something that can wound you? It's not. My friend, this country has a law. If you still want to enjoy your stay here, respect our laws. Because we respect you, we welcome all races in this country. Please, let's work in accordance with this law, and you are free to stay. So take it off right now. It has to be today.
No,
this is it yours? No. It's not yours. Anything that you have, this wall here, clean it up. You see my guys, two sides, clean it up flat so that people can use this place and go. All right? Right away. Okay. You, this thing, take it off from here on the public road, all right? Solar, you have a story building up, you can put it up, all right? But here is deterring movement of people. So you move it up. Where it's standing, make sure you bring it down, because you guys, one thing you forgot, you fail to understand. The road belongs to everybody, all right? Even those physically challenged, we are all equal in the usage of this road. They cannot be there because that black thing is meant for only vigorous. So the guys, the people, myself and you, we are on our foot. And we have that liberty to walk here freely. I can come and jump here, you can come and jump here. What of the ones when wheelchair? How can they manage to cross here? When you claim ownership here, you see the blockage that you did, it is wrong. Let's respect ourselves. Huh? You'll respect loi to be dekabi. Why lingin at defni dangin ko gene legini. Legi la modon. Ma ye demat ni bu may wanye ko li buguma ko gis fi. Anything buguma ko ngeen clean completely. Get what I said? Move. Lasting solution, ana guy. All and my guy. Yes, it is a. It is a.
They just call me now that they.
Yes, yes. I'm not happy with your guys over there.
So what do they need to remove now?
You see, they still have some pillars. They still have some wall.
You know, I've changed. I've moved the fence back.
Only the wind wall that you take out.
Okay.
After the wind wall,
yes,
anything from the building has to go down.
Okay. Don't worry, it will be taken care of.
And the floor is up. Bring it down.
So we take the floor down. Okay.
Thank you.
Taken care
Thank you.
Thank
and
you.
I told them if they didn't do anything, I'll come and close the place.
No.
So tomorrow they didn't need to come to work.
No, but honestly, you cannot finish.
No, you start working. I'm not saying you finish.
Yes.
But let's see movement.
Okay.
Then we'll spare you. If not, we'll lock the place tomorrow.
It will be taken care of.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, manager. moto yi nañ ñëw génne seen oto yi fii dafa xat amu leen benn naka place fi ngeen a park seen oto yi na ñëpp génne seen oto yi fii nii fii yëpp dafa war a empty all right xaw ma de only seen allow leen seen customers rek ñu ñëw all right parce que yéen boo leen paakee suba doo leen move moto yi ba ngoon that's not gonna happen. This guy, is it coming or not? Yes. Yes.
These vehicles are parked on the road corridor and they are asked to move. They are not supposed to be here, according to the operation leader, Mr. Mane. On the operation today, we are still at Kairaba Avenue.
Generator. These guys, they don't want to come out. Let them hook it there, Saba. Hey, be careful. All these things, you see this? No one wants to come out, all right? So, hook, naba hook, and they will come out. Hey, and a pap, you want to hook and mali? Hook and mali again. No, the brewer, he will not talk to them. Come, pap kai. Nyawlen ngeen hook li mo nga génn. Boy, puro la. Nga siya itaga-taga.
If you don't call them, we are not waiting for them. We'll take it off. No, hey, we are not going to wait nobody. No. They come and we talk to them. They don't go with
We're going to move it now.
Now they're moving.
Yeah.
Okay? We are going to do they start coming out. I said they will get it out.
Anna?
You can't move your boy. You don't want to come on.
No, we cannot wait for them. I asked these people to pull this. Why are you stopping him? Mune, nako hook. No. Hey, nako hook.
Leon.
Madaya. Au. Oye.
If you tell me that I put you on arrest, you know you're supposed to do it. You want to come back here.
Wow.
Before I come out, if I found you here,
Thank you.
whosoever is here will be arrested.
Today we're going to move it. Thank you. Aburaji.
Yeah, but how many times? We nearly spent 20 minutes here.
He was called.
I don't know what's going on. I don't know what is going down here. So unless you inform me, I'm not informed.
This guy went in there.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, I was there to ask.
He went there.
See whether he see me.
Yeah. I didn't see nobody. So that's why I said somebody go inside.
My friend,
to find
you
out.
left people down here so that anything they can communicate it. So it's not our fault. It's not our fault. It's your fault. You talk to them.
We're gonna move it. We're gonna move it today. We were upstairs.
And it's not our fault either.
Exactly. So I'm the one who came out and saw you people that I went and communicated to you. You understand? So that's what happened.
So the information is this one, take it off here completely.
Yeah.
And this metal thing that is down here, you take it off completely. All right? All. It has to be done today. All right? The generator, move the generator. This rider cannot be parked here. This is a Johnson where a vehicle can meander, go this way. The accessibility is getting narrower and narrower. So move this generator. This should not be here. Uproot this because this is exposed. Is a buried metal something that can wound people. All right? So you move it out all.
It's a school. So this was the reason why we made this. It was students of parked their bicycle. so it's spoiled. That's the reason why it's left right like this. But this one we don't have any problem with that because this is on school. So students used to park their bicycle here. So that's the reason why this metal was put here.
Yes.
But we can remove it.
Yes, because
don't have any
it's
problem.
closer to the road. If we are to provide for them to be locking their bicycle, let it be attached to the wall there and leave the public easement. Is that okay? Yes, move it on.
Thank you.
Kaay nga liggéey.
Hello. How are you? How's the afternoon? Yes. Yéen a nekk fii. Okay. Oto yi yéen a dee park seen oto yi fii. Sa oto la ak ban.
waaw bii tamit ak sama technicien la day liggéey fii.
Okay. Maanaam yéen boo leen ñëwee suba da ngeen a park ba time bi ngeen a wàcc.
non ñu ngi soog a rende fii only 1 week.
waaw loolu laay wax ne 1 week xam nga tey da nga ñëw.
waaw
doy ban time ngay tëj.
2 laay wàcc.
Exactly. So since morning dafa nekk fii ba 2.
non léegi laa ñëw. comme li ma wax dama def ci liggéey.
waaw
maa ngi soog a ñëw fii.
waaw.
dama ko rende only 1 week.
1 week. Okay.
waaw dama nekk di liggéey mais commencé ma start ma sax liggéey fii.
waaye après da nga bëgg a continuer.
waaw dama bëgg
loolu lay wax ni continuity that's why I'm looking for. pilas yi nii. wala naa def pilas yi fii.
ñoo ñu fii lañ ko fekk.
waaw ngeen toj ko. wax leen boromam bii nag toj ko ngeen toj ko o fii no business ngeen
ok
close.
waaw lu tax mu def ko nag.
waaw
mën naa la ko wax.
waaw wax ma.
man ba ma ñëw fii glace yi nii.
waaw
man maa ko def dafa am ku arrière ba toj bee glace.
waaw.
xam naa loolu tax mu def fii.
ok suy bëgg a def lii.
waaw.
fence line am fu mu stop mooy building bi oy ma bii ma building bi déedéet sa pila bi sa pila bi foofu la stop soo leen ko ngeen emale ko seen fukkee gi yem waaye fii public road la si kaw yoon bi la alright na budili dem sampa ko fele su dee dafa protect alelam waaye in doing so mul ta lor ñeneen ñi parce que lii si kaw yoon bi la te yoon bi ñëpp a ko bokk alright oto bi nii bii su ñëwut fii nii su nekkutoon fii bii mun naa move ba ci fële na alright but you did all these things lii yëpp ci kaw yoon bi la te fii dafa gàtta diggante fii ak lu ñuul bële na dafa gàtta pour nit ñi mun a am fu ñëw aw léegi loolu moo du am nag fii doo leen mun a paak fii for your customers pour seen customers clients yi kese parce que ñun dañoo ñëw duñ fi yàgg après ñu dem so avant ngeen am loolu parking space every day gis nga suma tow truck bi eno oto yi moom fii bu ma joxee gannaaw dafaa ñëw fii oto yi yëpp oto bu mu fekkee fii daf ko yóbbu so lii wax leen seen borom lii dañ koo toj léegi nii teekee la moo doon alright na commencé di toj lii yëpp moo génne ko fii comprendre
moto bu weex bi.
waaw
fii sama building la.
waaw
mun naa park fii sama moto.
gis nga num bàyyi yoon bi
waaw
bii tane na
waaw moom laa wax ne.
waaw
xam nga la wax man commencé ma liggéey.
waaw
sama moto ngi like sama moto bi comme li ma la wax.
waaw waaw
est-ce que moo ñëw mun naa park fii sama moto.
exactly yes that's understandable alright okay aussi my guy Get them down. No, Star has gone. So West Africa, something. The sign, the totem. What else? Is it Bye, Philip. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I'm here with my entourage.
Aha.
Big time.
Ah.
West Africa insurance? No?
No.
Oh, sorry. Boy Philip,
Bye.
this is good morning once more. Hello. This is my own shop, right? Good morning. We're here. This is the operation Clear the Roads.
Okay.
Today we are on Kairaba Avenue. What we are doing, we are clearing all obstructions, illegal structures and encroachment, and all forms of squattering on the road. That's what we've been doing for the months ago. Today is Kairaba Avenue, and here we're standing, we're looking for the alignment has to be the same, and people should not leave their perimeter and occupy the public easement. That's why we're here. And the totem, I think this is for cars, that's yours. The other one is for West Africa. I know you guys got the certificate from National Roads Authority that permitted you to erect it on the public road. But on the certificate is written there, when the space is needed by the government, you, the owner, it's your responsibility to move it. It will communicate will come, you move it, and then get back to NRA to give you a better spot where you can replace it. So that's why we're here today. Kairaba Avenue, the billboards or the signages are displayed anyhow. You see some are bigger, 6x4, 4x6, which is not okay. And yours, the size is okay, the totem, but the positioning needs to fan back a bit against your wall. I'm not sure with these services or whatsoever, but you can still get to them, the NRA, and they will have to manage how to push it against your wall so that it serves the same purpose. All right? So it's just a matter of getting someone who will unscrew it, bring it down, and you reposition it against your wall. So that's why we call you. That's the proprietor of cars for this one. The totem. The West Africa? Yes. Yes. How are you? I'm good. See my people here. Is your totem? We're still clearing. Thank you, Omar. We're still clearing, and it falls on the public easement, and the view is being blocked, the traffic view, and the positioning of it has to reposition. So all what you're gonna do is you bring it down and you fan it back a little bit so that it is moved away from the public easement. That's why we're here. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the cooperation. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Boy Philip, you got something to say? Talk to him. Talk to him. In fact, that's my childhood friend. You know, he's laughing over there. Talk to him. All right.
Boy, send my
What you guys are doing is a good job, and you started well, you know, but I'm pretty sure it will also end well. So keep it up.
What's your name?
Philip. Samu. Yes. Thank you guys. Keep it up.
boy,